Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana live classes. Today I am going to discuss with you 9th class unit 2A assignment. I am going to discuss with you. Before going to this assessment indicators for the given question, I want to discuss with you the a brief discussion of this lesson, that is true height. In this lesson, we have come across this Michael Stern. He was being blind boy. He had done a great achievement. Okay, so his personal record he had broken, and he had created the new wonders in that Junior Olympic Games. Right. So now here in this lesson, the most important thing is that here, being a blind boy, he had done a great achievement, and that is a very most important achievement in his life. And his mother, she used to tell him the imaginative stories always imaginative stories, imaginary stories. By that, he used to imagine himself that he wanted to do something, he wanted to achieve something. So at that time only, from the childhood, he had set a goal in his life. So in the same way, we have to set some goals in our life. Every student, every child should have to set a goal in the mind to achieve that, to achieve the goal, to reach your destination. We have to do the hard work, right ma? So in this lesson, his father, Mildred Stone, he was not an imaginative man. He believes in the reality. So that's why here what he used to say to his boy: if you want to achieve something, do hard work for that. Okay, but here, whereas his mother, she used to tell him the imaginary stories. Always he used to fight like anything, and he used to fly in the air. So like these stories, she used to tell him from the childhood. So whatever it is, but from his mother and father, he got the inspiration, and he had achieved the story. In the story, he had achieved the success. Okay, so after the completion of this competition also, there are some 20,000 viewers were there in the auditorium, or that place where this pole vaulting was conducted. There all the people, they were still clapping their hands, because after they come to know that, after coming to know that he was a blind boy, so that appreciation became more and more. So that impressed a lot in the audience. Means here he was a blind boy, and even though he was a blind boy, he had achieved his goal. That is most important thing. That is the zeal, that is the enthusiasm that he had achieved his goal. So in the same way, they asked one question for us. What is that question? Once listen. You have finished reading the text, True Height. Write a few lines about yourself. Use the following ideas to complete your summary effectively. So some hints also given to us. Now here you have to compare your life to this Michael Stone. Okay, Michael Stone was a blind boy. Okay, so that is even though he had that loss of vision, he had faced so many difficulties, but he had achieved his goal. But whereas we are physically fit, but sometimes we are lack of faith in us, we are not reaching our goals, right? So my dear students, don't lose faith in yourselves. Be confident always. We have to achieve so many goals in our future. So now here some hints also given for us. What is your goal at present? At present, what is your goal? You have to set a goal. This is the right time for you. And how could you go about achieving it? Means here, what are the steps you are going to take to achieve the goal? And which famous personality would be your inspiration? Who is your inspiration? Who is your follower? Okay, Mr. whom you are following, that meaning. Okay, how will achieving this goal befit you and others? So if you are going to achieve this, is it going to befit you or others? So whatever you are achieving it, the goal, you are, first of all, you are going to achieve it, and afterwards others will achieve. Mr. others will feel very great that they wanted to follow you. We should not follow anyone. We have to, others should follow us by looking at our hard work. Okay, so that's why here some indicators I have given to you people. Once you see this, presenting relevant details or information. So whatever you want to become in your personal life, so that you have to give the details, that information, and maintaining the sequence of ideas, one by one ideas, what you are going to do for that, and what you are going to, how you are going to set your goals, and what are the difficulties you are going to face. Just imagine and also how you are going to overcome these difficulties. Okay, and conventions of writing, that all the indicators should be there, that is PNG indicators, and these conventions of writing, that is capital letters, full stops, commas. Okay, that everything we have to write. And coherence, use of connectives and pronouns. Yeah, and, yet, so, but, these are all connectives and pronouns. Okay, so these are all the things we have to keep in our mind. And now set your goal and write your own story, like a description mode. We have to write this answer. Mister, I want to set my goal so and so, I want to become so and so, I would like to set my goals like this, I'm going to achieve this goal by doing so and so hard work, for these many hours I will do the hard work. So like this we have to set everything, then we will automatically achieve the success. Is it clear, ma? So this is about our description they had given in the question paper. So we will meet once again in another session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.